Myself Mohammad Zoeb Akbar. In this video I am going to stimulate in Proteus my project of actuating system, which is automated color sensing and sorting system. My group member is Khalid Mahmood. So basically this was the our proposal. Now I am going to stimulate my project in Proteus. So let's make a new project. Firstly, let's figure out all the components that we need. We have Uno, then L298, these one motors, servo motor, and an LCD. Display this one, and potentiometer T. What else? We select some resistors. Let's quickly set up L298, Arduino UNO. These are two DC motors. Now I need servo motors. We have three servo motors in total, 1, 2, and 3, and an LCD. And the main component which I forgot is CS3200. This is the color sensor module. This will be now I will fast forward in 2x and quickly do the wiring of my circuit. So let's meet in a few minutes. Now this is the final circuit. So first we have to code it. We can code it in this, but I have already prepared my code in Arduino IDE. So this one is LCD pin. First we define the pins, then belt speed. So at first I explain you my working. We have a conveyor belt which is continuously moving. It will stop only for scan. So on conveyor belt, one after another, there are three servo motors attached. At first there is a checking station, scanning station, on which the RTCS 3200 color sensor is scanning the material, like which color it is. So according to which, that servo will be on and it will be thrown onto that bin. So if not any of the color which we are using, or total three color, red, blue and yellow. If for example there is a orange color, it will be thrown into dustbin, not in any section. So this is the working model. So let's code. So now there is a red channel. This is all the definition and code. Enable pin, start belt, we define stop belt, when to stop it, void setup, pin defines everything that we created in the stimulation. And at the end I have set the angle of the belt 90 degrees 0, and same for blue, yellow, for red, yellow and blue. So desired, we say the servo motor will be on. So let's compile this. Arduino UNO is the board. We have compiled it. So it is CF1. We upload this code in this here. Then this users, public. Then we have sorry, not in public. Users and local, ZDEF, app data, local. Then we have Arduino. It is sketches. It's CF1. This one, hex file. Now the hex file has been uploaded. Let's start our circuit. Color sensor is on. First you see the conveyor belt is now at work. So in this simulation I will show how the belt is running, scanning, no color, dustbin. So first I select red color. Okay, belt scanning, red color, bin 1. So let look it into this. The servo will be on and block the material distance, so that it is thrown into the bucket. So let's change our color to blue. Now see the color blue, belt scanning, blue color. This servo motor will get on and block the object. Now we have another object, yellow, belt scanning, yellow color, bin 2. Now servo motor 2 will be activated. Select numberly, should I select this one? Okay, belt scanning again. Previously it was yellow. Now after the function is done, then the now we have again belt scanning, blue color. For example, if there is another color, for example we say orange, no color, dustbin. This is no color, dustbin. None of the color has been detected out of all three ones. This one's left. No color, dustbin. Then again we select red. Red selected, and it has been servo 1 will be activated and block the object, so it has thrown into the bucket. That's all. Thank you.